my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Chef Abby, the best chef in Kenya. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are back. And today I'm going to show you a very nice meal that you can prepare for your family. We are going to make chicken. We have already deboned our chicken. We have coconut, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have capsicum, we have coriander, and I always say spices are optional. You can use any spice of your choice. Stay tuned and don't go away. Follow every step and prepare this for your family. Love you guys. Welcome all your coconut, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have capsicum, we have coriander, and I always say spices are optional. You can use any spice of your choice. Stay tuned and don't go away. Follow every step and prepare this for your family. Love you guys. Welcome all your friends to watch today. Now we are going to cut our chicken breasts. Make sure you get the best quality of chicken from the nearest market. I'm going to cut it into cubes. Then I'm going to use my air fryer to brown my chicken. Done with my chicken. Now I'm going to make my chicken to be a little bit tasty by adding some little salt. I'm going to add a little bit of my favorite spice. I always say that spices are optional, so you can use any spice of your choice. A little bit of garlic. Then I'm going to mix them together. And I forgot, I'm going to use a little bit of light soy sauce and a little bit of dark soy sauce. This is just to add some flavor. Now I'm going to brown my chicken. Don't go away. Follow every step. Now I'm going to use my air fryer to brown my chicken. That is it. In few minutes my chicken will be brown, and now we are going to make our sauce so that we can, after we brown our chicken, we'll toast our chicken into our sauce. Now let's go now to the little cooking. We are going to fry our onions. We brown our onion first. We'll add the garlic, our favorite spices, then coconut, and then our tomato. Still waiting for our chicken to be golden brown. Follow me in the kitchen to make the little cooking. Now my onion is golden brown. I'm going to add some garlic, my favorite spices. Let me remind you of that spices are optional. You can use any spice of your choice. Make sure that you cook your spices for you to have a good aroma. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste just to add the color into my food. I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes. Some salt to add flavor. And I'm going to give it a time to make sure that my tomatoes are cooked well. So I'm going to cover. I have my chicken stock I'm going to add. But if you don't have chicken stock, you can either use water. I'm going to use a little bit of light soy sauce. This is just to add flavor into my chicken. Wow, it's tasting very nice. So let's wait for our chicken to be golden brown, and then we are going to toss our chicken into the sauce. Don't go away, keep watching, and you are going to enjoy this. Well done. My chicken now is at least golden brown. I'm going to add into my sauce. As you can see, my sauce is ready. I'm going to stir. It looks very yummy. And finally, I'm going to add some coconut powder. And then I'm going to add my green capsicum. Wow, it looks very appetizing. Don't hesitate to try this for yourself and for your family. Now in few minutes, our chicken will be ready to serve. You can either serve this with chapati, with ugali, any starch of your choice, rice, pilau. Enjoy. Let's enjoy together. Finally, we are going to add our red yellow capsicum plus the coriander. And we are going to stir, and we are ready now to enjoy our chicken. It looks very appetizing. Now we are going to serve our chicken. It is ready. soup look very, very appetizing.